Hey guys, today I'm bringing you another tutorial showing you how I went from this to this. Yes, honey. You're going to need Lada Body Moisturize Me Milk as well as the Shea Moisture Leave-In Conditioner and some Flexi rods. So because this was my first time trying the Flexi rod set, I did learn some things along the way. Firstly, if you have thick hair, do not apply to damp hair or do not apply to wet hair, okay? You do not want to do this style with damp or wet hair if you are doing the heatless curl method, all right? So that is the method where you do not use any heat on your hair, no blow dryer. You're not going to sit under a dryer. You're just going to let it air dry. Because I did this wet, I did have to take a blow dryer to this towards the end for a couple minutes on low heat just because it was taking more than 24 hours for my hair to dry. So I want to show you guys how I do wrap my hair around these flexi rods. I do twist as I wrap around the flexi rod, and I just think that makes for a better curl. So if I could change a couple things that I did do in this video, I would have used smaller rods towards the middle of my head because I did notice that my hair was still very wet once I had wrapped it, even after it had been a full 24 hours. I realized it's better to use smaller rods maybe towards the middle of your head and bigger ones towards the outside because actually that's going to dry the fastest. Another thing that I noticed is that you do want to make sure that these are flat against your head, especially if you plan on sleeping in them. It'll just make it way more comfortable for you to sleep. Now here I did actually replace one of the purple rods with a orange flexi rod because it is smaller. So I did go back and do this in a couple of the rods in my head just to show you guys that it just is better to use the smaller rods if you can. Okay, so now I'm going to sleep, y'all. So, yeah, good night. Okay, so now I'm taking out the rods and I'm just taking some jojoba oil and some castor oil and I'm just rubbing my fingers in the oil and sliding my fingers through my hair so that I can make sure that I get that oil on the strands of my hair. Also, another thing, A couple of these rods, like the one I just took out, I did put it back because it was not completely dry. The key to the perfect flexi rod set is that your hair does have to be completely dry. You do not want to take out the rods with your hair still damp or wet because your curls will not hold, okay, and they will not be defined. So I left a couple of them in there, and I did take my blow dryer and put it on a low heat setting and just hold it against the rods while they're still curled for a couple minutes. And this is it, y'all. Like, look at that. That is just beautiful. It's so funny because I used to wear crochets like this, and I will show you guys a picture. But this is my hair. It's beautiful, it's gorgeous, it's fluffy, and I love these curls. I love the way this looks. It's just so pretty to me. And you know what, guys? If you like this type of content, this tutorial that I left you guys, please go ahead and like and subscribe, and please share these videos. I am trying to get my subscribers up, and also I think I'm gonna do a hair giveaway pretty soon. So let me know if you like this video. Also click the notification bell so you can be made aware when I do create new videos. Y'all, this looks so good. Like, it's so pretty, and I'm just loving it. So thank you for watching my video, and I will see you guys in the next video.